What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Take this good ass energy, take it. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better, you feel me? Today we're finna make a crazy beat from scratch inside of FL Studio 21. But before that, I want to thank Loopmix for sponsoring this video. They got a crazy plugin to like flip and rearrange your melodies. It's super fire in my opinion. Have you ever had that feeling when you like made a melody and you're not like feeling it 100%? That's where Loopmix got you. This plugin allows you to slice, rearrange, reverse, pitch, remix your own loop, all that good stuff. I've been doing that a lot as well, like making a melody and then like flipping it into something really crazy and different. It's just crazy because you can like remix and rearrange your whole melody in seconds. Also, the keyboard in this VST uses randomization. It generates up to 24 remixes at a time, which allows you to just get like super creative with your melodies. You can just like switch easily between like the different variations of the loops and just come up with like something really unique. If you want to get a taste of this sweet plugin, make sure to go check that out. And if you do so, you almost get 2 gigabytes of factory presets included, which is super nice. And I'm honored to give you guys a coupon code as well. It's kind of 10% or 10% off for me to you guys. So make sure to go check out the link in the description, bruh. Let's get it. Let's see if we can try to flip this maybe. Let's just put halftime on it, momentary halftime, and let's crank up the BPM to like maybe 142. We can even like maybe try to verse it, see how that sounds. Pitch it down. Cut some lows out of it. So what I'm going to do is rearrange this like this. So this is the main melody and we also have this right here. But with this one, I'm going to make it unique. Pitch it down. So put this on 12 and then pitch down. Yeah, that's hard. We can pitch up the bass. Let's see how that sounds. We can use that for like maybe in the background. Walking down, walking down. I got out of bed, walking down. Shit, walking down, walking down. I got out of bed, get up. I got no time for these hoes. Get into the castle. Yeah, that's fire, bro. I love the beat. I love what we did. We like made the whole melody in like a different BPM, and then we flipped it, bumped up the BPM, reversed it, added some extra counter melodies, and then we got this beautiful beat. It's super fire in my opinion. Also with like the double 808, the two different type of 808s. It's like this one, and we got this one, so just to be like a little bit more unique, you feel me? Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. Make sure to check out the link in the description to all my kits. Also, big shout out to Loopmix for sponsoring this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.